Okay, students, so you have seen that polynomial is algebraic expression having two or more terms, right? So, an expression in the form of this one, we can say that this is a polynomial, okay? I am showing you the form, okay? The form I am showing you, look. The form is a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube till so on. Okay, means it will be till infinity. Fine. If any expression is in this form, okay, this is the form a plus bx plus cx square plus dx cube. Now, wait 1 second. Now it's clear. Okay, now if you see what is common in all this expression, if you see very carefully, we will see that in each expression the power of x means, like, look, in first case it was x to the power 0, right? It's written as a, but can we write a as ax to the power 0? Anything to the power 0 equals to how much? 1. So it will be a only, right? That's why we have written a. Am I clear? Plus bx means it's x to the power 1 actually. Okay. Then cx square, look, it's x to the power 2. Then dx cube, it's x to the power 3. Like this way, fifth one will be how much? If you see, it will be x to the power 4. Am I clear? Like this way it's going. Now, if you see where a, b, c, d, these all are known as constant, okay? And x is a variable. A, b, c, d are known as constant, and x is x is the variable. Am I clear? Now, next we will study the degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Now, what is the degree of polynomial? Look, the degree of polynomial is the greatest power of the variable present. Are you getting? It is the greatest power of the variable present. Now, let me show you one example, okay? Suppose 5 minus 3x, first one, let's say. Now, if you see very carefully, it's 5 minus 3x, right? Now, what is the power of x here? It's actually 1, right? Don't say 0, class, because if you say x to the power 0, then it will become 1. Then only 3 will remain. Am I clear? So it's x to the power 1. So, degree of a polynomial is what we see? Greatest power of the variable present. Now, in this case, 5 is constant, 3 is constant. What is the variable present? X. What is the power of x? 1. So, this polynomial is of degree 1. Am I clear? Second one, if you see, 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Now, see this one very carefully, okay? It's written how much? 3x square plus 5x plus 6. Now, in this case, x has a power of 2 and x has a power of 1. But what we see from the definition of polynomial, that it is the greatest power of the variable present. So, what is the greatest power of the variable here? 2, right? 1 is also there, but which one is bigger? 2 is bigger, right? So, this polynomial is of degree 2. Am I clear? This polynomial is of degree how much? 2. Okay. Now, if we see the third one, let's take it as 5x to the power 4, 3x cube plus 7x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay. Now look, you can easily say it now that, sir, this polynomial has a maximum degree of how much? 4, right? 2 and 3 is also there. If it's, let us say, if it's 3x cube, suppose 3 and 4 is also there, but which is the highest degree? 4, right? That means this polynomial is of degree 4. Am I clear? These things you need to learn.